welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show y'all my process of coloring the roots of this wig. I got this wig from AliExpress. It is 30 inches, 180 density. I don't remember the color, but as you can see, it has some highlights, it has some browns. It's a very beautiful wig, but I tend to leave my edges out on my wigs typically because I have a low hairline. So I decided to color the roots of the wig so that it can look more natural. So to color this wig, I'm using the Adore 110 in the darkest brown, and I really was praying that this worked because I tried this previously with a wig I wore for my birthday this year. It's the similar color to this wig, just a little shorter, and it did not work. Like, the color came right out, but actually reading the directions this time, I saw that you had to apply heat for 20 minutes. So that's probably why it didn't work the last time, because I definitely did not apply heat. But this time it came out perfect. I loved it. In a few more clips, you're gonna see my up close and personal process of how I colored this wig. I got it really up close for y'all so y'all can see how I did it. But yeah, I loved how it came out. here's where I show y'all the up close personal, where I'm focusing on the closure itself. I did the roots of the entire closure because I didn't know if I was going to wear mainly in a side part or mainly in a middle part. So I just wanted to make sure that all of my bases were covered and that the look will give off a more natural look, being that I will sometimes leave my edges out in my installs. Once I've colored all the parts that I need to color, I had to put a plastic bag over the wig and let it sit under the blow dryer for 20 minutes, and then I washed out the color and it came out beautifully. I really enjoyed the color and how it came out. I really like this wig. This is probably my favorite wig so far. Yeah, came out beautifully. None of the lace was damaged at all. It was just really nice. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you learned how to color hair if you didn't know, the quick way. And stay tuned because the next video I upload will be me installing this wig. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will have the link so much for